Woke up with a vision and a blank white page, whether canvas, code, or a camera stayed. I'm stirring up the story, only I can tell. From the sketch to the post, I do it with well. Prep the plan, light the spark, edit deep, create from heart. Every frame and every rhyme is built with hustle, beat by time. It's Transformational Tuesday, let's rise and create. We skin big dreams on a content plate. From DIY hands to digital gold, we flip our fears and serve it bold. Whether you bake it, build it, film or write, you're the magic, you're the light. Got drafts in the oven, captions to frost, ideas to simmer, not a second lost. Real stories to spin, a creator's kitchen where we always win. Boil the doubt, steep the grind, season the soul, sharpen the mind. No recipe fits every path, but we keep crafting, that's the math. It's Transformational Tuesday, own your lane. From messy drafts to a viral game, no baked dreams, still served hot. Your flavor's rare, give all you've got. From prep to post, through every try, creators rise, and so will I. So whisk it, flip it, press record, build your brand and hit upload. This Tuesday's yours, so